Salman Rushdie is credited with putting Indian writing in English on the world map. He's won the Booker Prize for Midnight's Children and then the Booker of Bookers. But what he can't seem to dodge is controversy. The latest salvo coming in from the Darul Uloom Devband Seminary in India, saying the government should withdraw his visa.
हम ये समझते हैं कि हिंदुस्तानी गवर्नमेंट को चाहिए कि कतई तौर पर इस बात को यकीनी बनाएं कि उनको बिल्कुल भी यहाँ पे आने की परमिशन न दें.
Rushdie himself has tweeted in his defense, saying, "For the record, I don't need a visa." Political parties with an eye on the upcoming UP polls, with the state's 19% minority vote, were quick to rush in.
सरकार का एक रवैया गीता के लिए, दूसरा कुरान के लिए, एक रवैया सलमान रुश्दी के लिए, दूसरा MF हुसैन के लिए.
We see a clear hand of the Congress party in this, because they want to play up this kind of a debate and to bring in the arguments of religion dominating certain issues which are not welcome.
कांग्रेस को क्यों रोकना चाहिए? कानून व्यवस्था है. अगर कानून में किसी पर रोक लगाने की व्यवस्था है तो उस पर रोक लगनी चाहिए.
Meanwhile, the organisers of the Jaipur Lit Fest, where he is to speak, stand by him and cite free speech.
India has to stand firm about issues of free speech and democracy.
At the end of the day also, if you look at it, the hardline government of Iran that had initially passed that fatwa back in 1989 did make way for a more reformist regime. So even Iran has toned down its rhetoric. In 1998, the government of Mohammad Khatami not withdrawing the fatwa but did ease up on it, saying they would not endorse anyone carrying out this fatwa as well. So it really does beg the question why the Deoband will bring this up, many seeing it as opportunistic given that elections are just around the corner.